Fixing a squeaky door is one of the easiest home repairs you can do, and it usually only takes a few minutes. You'll need lubricant, like WD-40, silicone spray, or even household items like petroleum jelly, olive oil, or bar soap. You'll need a rag or paper towel, a hammer, and a nail, which are optional if you need to remove the hinge pin. Identify the squeaky hinge open and close the door to pinpoint which hinge, top, middle, or bottom, is causing the squeak. Apply lubricant without removing the pin. Shake your lubricant can and aim it directly at the hinge pin and moving parts. Move the door back and forth to work the lubricant into the hinge. Wipe away any excess lubricant with a rag to avoid drips. Remove the hinge pin for a deeper fix if the squeak persists. Use a hammer and nail to gently tap the hinge pin up and out. Once removed, coat the pin with lubricant or even rub it with bar soap or petroleum jelly. Insert the pin back into the hinge and move the door to distribute the lubricant evenly. Check for loose screws. Sometimes the squeak isn't from friction but from loose screws in the hinge. Tighten any loose screws with a screwdriver. Open and close the door a few times to make sure the squeak is gone. If it's still there, repeat the process or try a different lubricant. Avoid overoiling. Too much lubricant can drip and stain floors or walls. Use just enough to coat the hinge. Stubborn squeaks. If lubrication doesn't work, check if the door or frame is misaligned, which might need sanding or hinge adjustment. If the hinges are rusty, remove them completely, clean off the rust with steel wool, then lubricate before reinstalling.